Guys, papunta ako ngayon ng Ocean Park at ito yung outfit ko. Ganda. Ang cute ng backpack. So, let's na. Ngayon guys, kakain muna tayo ng noodles dito sa harap ng BCT area bago ako pumunta ng Ocean Park. Doon ako kain banda. Thank you. This is noodles. And happy birthday to me. Wow, I think it's tasty. Chopstick. Yeah. I don't know how to take this one. It's okay. And my iced tea.